I showed the bitch my pen, then I screwed her. Try to essay them in my true heart. Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the dean, don't cheat supreme. That's why, hoorah. Freaky little.
Why my bad bitch?
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. Yeah. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be a man, but now a bitch, okay.
I know, I look crazy. It's 1:55 a.m. My hair isn't dirty because I wash my hair every week. Don't judge me.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn.
I need to do a protein treatment. I'm just now realizing that I can't fit in taking my hair down, washing my hair, doing a protein treatment, deep conditioning, and starting my small knotless braids all in one day. And I have 2 days to finish all of this because I go to work on Sunday. And then I have class on Monday, then work again on Tuesday, then class again on Wednesday, and then work again on Thursday. I got a busy week. You're busy. I'm a busy woman, okay? At least if I have like small knotless braids, they'll last me a while, and like it'll also, I don't know, make mornings easier. I don't know if that's a good decision yet. I haven't done braids in like, I don't know how long. I'm not really a braid girly, I guess you could say. I think the last time I did braids was actually for my channel. I think I did like large boho braids. That was like my first time doing knotless braids. I'm using the African Pride pre-poo. I usually finish like the whole jar. Yeah, when I take these mini twists down, I know I won't have any left. I haven't posted on YouTube for like 2 weeks now. I'm really tired. Like, my energy is really low. Also on my period. Yeah, morning. There's one braid down. See how moisturized that is compared to the rest of my hair.
You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feeling you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, yeah, only want your love if it's solid. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it.
That's the way I like it.
Yeah, that's the way I like it.
You can smile but none of these bitches.
That's the way I like it.
Wiping them down in front of these niggas.
That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for some of y'all just my boss. I gave you this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be in peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, yeah, only want your love if it's but if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. Gonna smile underneath bitches. That's the way I like it. When I'm down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall. See, it's funny cause I never thought this would end. But then the season changed.
You were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything to make you happy, baby.
What you say?
Oh yeah. That's right.
And I will turn into a butterfly. I will spread my wings and fly. And I'm too fly for the shit.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing just these slides and both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my fingers.
You see that small amount in my right hand that I'm pulling away? I used 2 of those for each braid, and at first I was kind of doing like micro minis, and then I realized that it would take me more than 2 days to finish this. But I was already on the 2nd day, so I gradually made them larger. You can see it right here, how small I was doing it at first. Also, I barely put heat in my hair, so these braids were done on like just freshly washed hair with leave-in conditioner and the Camille Rose refresher that I showed you in the last clip. And if you don't know how to braid, it's 3 sections. You take the left side, put it in the middle, the right side, put it in the middle, and that's kind of the motion that you have to do. You can see me adding the 2nd piece of braiding hair, and then that's it. You can see the amount of braiding hair I used. I didn't add any more after that because my hair is thick enough to be the size that I wanted the braid to be without adding like a whole bunch of braiding hair anyways. I just only used it for the length. I also did not dip the ends. I left it straight, and I keep forgetting to cut the little piece of bow hair that be sticking out. I finished the front part, I did my little edges, and instead of actually doing my whole head of braids, I saw it on TikTok that you could use like bundles in the back. So I used like a half wig. You can see the braids at the back of my head, and I took that half wig and just clipped it on. And then the braids that already had the curls in the back, which I did do larger, you could see that those end up just covering it up, so you can't see like the actual track part of the half wig. I did end up doing mini twists in the back where you saw those really big braids, just to kind of keep my hair protected and moisturized. And yeah, the bundles or half wig in the back is definitely like a cheat code if like you don't have that much time, but it's not for everybody. I get that, but I liked it and I think it came out really cute on me. So don't be a hater in the comments. So you know, like at the end of every video that I'm doing my hair, I always do my makeup just to make sure that I really like it. And you know, my makeup always come out real cute. So this is the end of the video. You're about to see the final look. I have makeup tutorials on my channel if you're interested in seeing that. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.